Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how to boot the device into boot mode. And to get started, simply hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. And we're now in the boot mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the selections here we have access to, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is visible right at the top. So restart bootloader, it just reboots where we are right now. Recovery mode takes us obviously to the recovery mode. Power off, start, which takes us back to Android, and then it just boots or cycles through the options again. So I'm gonna select start just so I can leave this mode and go back to the Android system. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.